In its core principle, the European Parliament defines circular economy as a model of production and consumption, which involves sharing, leasing, reusing, repairing, refurbishing, and recycling existing materials and products, as long as possible. Circular economy aims to tackle global challenges, such as climate change, biodiversity loss, waste, and pollution, by emphasizing the design-based implementation of the three base principles of the model. The three principles required for the transformation to a circular economy are eliminating waste and pollution, circulating products and materials, and the regeneration of nature. Circular economy is defined in contradiction to the traditional linear economy. The idea and concepts of circular economy have been studied extensively in academics, business, and government over the past 10 years. Circular economy has been gaining popularity since it helps to minimize emissions and consumption of raw materials, open up new market prospects, and principally, increase the sustainability of consumption, and improve resource efficiency. Circular economy is viewed as a means of combating global warming, as well as a facilitator of long-term growth. One prominent thinker on the topic is Walter R. Stoffel, an architect, economist, and a founding father of industrial sustainability. Credited with having coined the expression, cradle to cradle, in contrast with linear economies, cradle to grave, illustrating our resource to waste way of functioning. In a linear economy, natural resources are turned into products that are ultimately destined to become waste, because of the way they have been designed and manufactured. This process is often summarized by take, make, and waste. By contrast, a circular economy employs reuse, sharing, repair, refurbishment, remanufacturing, and recycling to create a closed-loop system, reducing the use of resource inputs and the creation of waste, pollution, and carbon emissions. The circular economy aims to keep products, materials, equipment, and infrastructure in use for a longer period of time, thus improving the productivity of these resources. Waste materials and energy should become input for other processes through waste valorization, either as a component for another industrial process, or as a regenerative resource for nature, like compost. Intuitively, the circular economy would appear to be more sustainable than the current linear economic system. Reducing the resources used, and the waste and leakage created, conserves resources, and helps to reduce environmental pollution. However, it is argued by some that these assumptions are simplistic and disregard the complexity of existing systems and their potential trade-offs.